Alright, hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with a super chill unboxing, I think after a couple of years. Like couple of years ago we used to do this kind of setup, one camera pointing at me, one top-down camera pointing at the product, and just a super chill unboxing. I genuinely think that unboxings are still very relevant and very exciting even in 2026, especially unboxing like these where there is a proper big media kit. So this is a big fat media kit from Motorola, and I love media kits because it not only has the product but some extra things along with it as well, and I absolutely love that. So this is the media kit of the Motorola Signature, which is a high-end premium phone from Motorola, and I'm really excited to check it out. Now before we get into it, I have not unboxed this product as of yet. Most of the unboxings that you see on the Indian tech YouTube scene, people already use the product, then they repackage the product and then show you the unboxing. I have not done that. I have not seen the phone, I have not touched the phone. Today will be the first time that I will unbox the phone, hold it in my hand, and give you my honest reactions about this phone. So let's get into it. Now, as you can see, I've got this big black box here. I'm going to remove the sleeve which it came in. All right. Oh, yeah. And here we have something written. Motorola Signature, crafted for the visionaries. I am definitely a visionary. I don't know about you guys. I am definitely one. So I'm going to open it up. All right. And here we go. We have a letter. Motorola Signature, crafted for the visionaries. Join us for an exclusive signature class experience on 23rd January. I am actually going to go for the launch event. Today is 21st, so day after is the launch. I am going to be there for the launch event. But yeah, anyway. Next up, inside we have, these three things. This is the Motorola Signature itself. This is the box of the smartphone. So I'm going to remove it, keep it aside for now. We'll get to it. Then we have the Moto Watch. This is interesting, Motorola Watch. I've never tried a Moto Watch before. This will be the first time that I try a Moto Watch, and it is powered by Polar. I don't know what that means, but yeah, powered by Polar. And then finally, we have this card here. Motorola Signature Club. This is a metal card and has some weight to it, does not feel cheap, feels super premium actually. So I guess now I am a part of Motorola Signature Club. Now, this part is done. There is one more part to the box. Let me quickly show you that. It's right here. There is a drawer here, so I'm going to go ahead and open up this drawer. And inside this drawer, there are a couple of things. First up is this Allen key. I don't know what I'm going to use this for. Maybe there is something inside for which I'm going to need this Allen key. Then there is this extra strap for the watch. I think this is a rubber strap. So yeah, extra strap for the watch. And then a couple of more things. First up, we have a booklet. And inside there are some specifications about the phone. Signature class experience. India's first smartphone with 24/7 exclusive privilege services. I don't know what does that mean. I think it is some sort of concierge service maybe. Let's see. I'm going to, research more about it. So yeah, this is a little booklet about the specifications. Then moving on, we have a pen here. A very classy pen which says Motorola Signature. So this is the pen. I think it rotates and opens. That's nice. All right, finally we have this. I don't know what this is, but I have an idea. So I think this is some sort of a magnetic phone stand, and yeah, there is a suction cup on the bottom as well. So I think this can be put on the dashboard of my car, and then there is this magnetic stand here. I think this is a super interesting accessory. I will test it out later. Here there are some extra magnetic rings. So I was right, magnetic phone holder for the car. All right, let's keep everything aside and we'll get to the products one by one. Let's unbox everything one by one. I'm going to keep this box aside now. First, I'm going to have a sip of my coffee. Alright, first up, I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Moto Watch. So we have this Motorola Watch here. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, here we go. The box has been opened. Now the first thing inside is the watch itself. I'm going to open it up. There is a pull tab here. Keep it aside. Now this is something different. Let me see what this is. Oh, I think this is a toolkit to, change the strap. That is interesting. Yeah, this is a toolkit definitely. Does not look like something else. Yeah, this is a toolkit. Then we have some literature, some paperwork, which is always boring. I'm not going to, read it. And then finally, we'll get to this little part here. Okay, here we have the charging cable. Here we go. This is the charging cable, which is USB Type-C and magnetic puck on the other end. So yeah, normal charging cable for a watch. And then we have the watch itself. Oh, it has a metal strap. That's why they gave a toolkit. That is nice. Which way is up? Yeah, this way is up. Let me quickly go ahead and remove the plastic. Alright, now the plastic of the metal strap itself. And finally done. I got rid of all the plastic. And I think this watch looks super premium. It is not a normal cheap watch. It has a premium feeling to it, especially with this metal strap. And I like circular watches. I'm not a fan of square watches. Circular watches is my thing. Let me quickly go ahead and turn this on. It has some battery because normally watches have to be put on the charging puck and then they turn on, but it's good that this got turned on. Now I'm going to set it up later, so I'm going to keep it aside and we'll move on to the next box. Next up, we have the smartphone itself. So this is the moment that you all were waiting for. Motorola signature sound by Bose. Now Motorola has this thing. Their boxes are perfumed and they have a very good smell to them. Like a really good smell, and it does not smell like cardboard. The perfume thing is absolutely incredible. I do, appreciate the fact that the boxes are perfumed. Let me quickly check the variant I have here. Color Pantone Martini Olive. So I have the green color here, which I think is Twill inspired. So that's the variant I have here. 16 GB plus 1 TB. That is awesome. Alright, enough of this. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. Oh, done. Now, a booklet fell out, or a card fell out, which has Motorola signature. Say hello to the Motorola signature, the first product in our new Motorola signature series. So it's going to be a series. So they're definitely going for that premium feeling. It kind of gets me excited to, try out this smartphone. And it says, thanks for choosing our product. Yeah, thank you for sending the product. All right, let's go ahead and see what else is there inside. I have the smartphone here. I'm going to keep it aside. And then inside the box, there is the charger. The charging brick, actually 90 watts. That is nice. So a 90-watt charging brick inside the box itself. That is a rare thing, especially in the premium segment. And then there is the charging cable. This is a type C to type C charging cable. That is nice. All right, where is the SIM card ejector tool? Yeah, oh, there is a box stuck inside here. It has a lot of things. It has some black stickers for what? I don't know. There are some black stickers, Motorola signature series booklet, and the SIM card ejector tool. This is what I was looking for. So yeah, everything is there inside the box. Now I'm going to keep everything back and we'll get to the smartphone. The main thing, the hero of this unboxing. And here we are, the smartphone. This is the moment that you all were waiting for. I'm going to shut off. We're going to cut off the background music and let's just enjoy some ASMR removal of plastic or paper in this case. That was super satisfying, like trust me, very satisfying. And wow, this phone is so premium. Like I did not expect it to be so premium. It looks so cool. It has these, boxy edges and they're also kind of curved, and the phone does not have a lot of weight to it. It is a lightweight phone which is slim as well. It's super premium, and the camera module, it is so nice. Like it has this different color, dual tone look, gold and this, olive color. Looks absolutely incredible. Like this is a piece of art. So good, so refreshing, because we don't see such phones, in the premium segment, such different materials and colors. Like absolutely incredible. Let me quickly give you a physical overview as well. So on the side here, there is the power button and volume rockers, and there are also these antenna lines, which tells us that this is a metal frame. So this is how you identify a metal frame. Then on the bottom here, we have the SIM card tray, the USB Type-C port, a microphone, and a speaker. Then on this side, that is the left side, we have a button. I think this is a customizable button which we can set for multiple things. On the top, there is one more speaker and a couple of more microphones, I'm guessing, and also the Dolby Atmos logo. Then on the back, we have the camera module along with a microphone and the flash. So there are 3 cameras on the rear side, and this one looks like a periscope camera because it has this, square or rectangle cutout to be precise. So yeah, I think that's about it for the physical overview. Let me quickly go ahead and turn on the smartphone. Motorola signature powered by Android. Now, one thing that I'm noticing here is that it has a quad curve display, which I am not a fan of. I'm a fan of flat displays. If it would have had a flat display, that would have been my choice. But still, it is not a big curve. It's like a normal curve. I can, live with it. But this phone is actually super premium. Like I did not expect it to be that premium. I am really impressed by the design. Like super impressed by the design. Lovely. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set up the phone right now. I'm going to set it up offline because I'm going to add my account and stuff later on, because this is just an unboxing. Yeah, I am going to set up the fingerprint sensor because I do want to do that. Okay, unlock with your fingerprint. And this is an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So that is nice. It is not an optical one. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which generally is faster as compared to optical. And one thing that I like to do is set up both fingers in one go itself. I don't have to set up them, separately. And it works perfectly fine with almost all the phones out there. Fingerprint added. Okay, accept, finish. Oh, that was a quick setup, without adding my account. The first thing that I like to do is go into settings and check the Android version. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll open up the settings, scroll down to about phone. Android version is 16 and the security update is 1st December 2025. I've not connected it to Wi-Fi. Maybe after I connect it to Wi-Fi, there will be a security update. But yeah, out of the box, 1st December 2025, Android version is 16. So that is nice. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use this phone for a couple of days, maybe more days, and then make my videos about it. You guys let me know which all videos would you like to see about the Motorola Signature. I'm planning to do a proper shot on video that is a dedicated camera review and also a day in the life. If you want any more videos, comparisons, whatever, then let me know about that in the comment section down below and I will make it happen. So that's been it. This was my super chill unboxing of the Motorola Signature. Do let me know what did you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any feedback for the videos, the comment section is always open for you. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye bye.